Ben Harper has done it again. He's taken a very simple chord progression and made a beautiful song out of it. It's Yard Sale from his latest album, Wide Open Light. I'm going to take you through it very quickly. It's fast and easy. It's a simple song, but it's really, really beautiful. There's a couple of little riffs he does in between the chords that kind of make it sound even prettier. But here we go. The chords are simple. It's G, followed by a C, and we play it as a C add 9, which allows you to get from that G to C very easily and smoothly. There's a D. In the bridge and the chorus, there's an E minor, and a little kind of passing chord he uses when he's on the C is an F, but you can also do that a simple way by moving across like that. Then the riff that you hear right at the start and about every second bar on the way through, he kind of alternates these two little things that make it flow. When he's mostly on the G and the C chords, you'll hear this little riff he does, which is basically the open A string, hammered onto 2, hammered onto 3, open D string, played very softly and smoothly, and goes back to the G chord. When he's not doing that, on the 4th beat of the bar, he goes over to that C add 9 and comes back to the G. So it kind of sounds like this. This is the intro. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And the strumming, just a thumb on the bass note, followed by a little percussive hit on the strings, and then a couple of extra brushes for strums. Very, very soft, very, very understated. It's kind of what makes this song sound as lovely as it does. And playing mostly with your thumb will get you close to the sound that Ben Harper gets as well. So that's pretty much the song. The verses are simple. They're 4 bars of G, followed by 2 bars of C, 2 bars of G, and then the bridge section goes E minor, C, G, C, then finishes off going G, D, G, G, which is the bit that goes, I'm pretty sure she's gone for good. Wherever that little riff happens on your chart, I've put it in brackets saying riff just in the top corner of the bar so you'll know kind of where it is. But when he plays with Jack Johnson is also playing these really lovely little fills. He's playing in double drop D tuning, as far as I can tell, which basically means that his Cole Clark guitar is dropped on the bottom and the top E strings. They both drop down to D, and everything else is pretty standard. But he's basically playing these notes, and this is what they would be in standard tuning. 7th fret G string, followed by 7th fret E string, but played together. Down to 5th fret on both strings, and then 4th fret G string, 3rd fret E string. So it's that's pretty much the crux of what he's doing. He does a really lovely solo in there, but I'm not going to tab that out because it's just a sort of an impromptu live version. And the single version has a really nice Weissenborn solo by Ben Harper himself, so it's worth checking out, but it's really lovely and understated and very nicely played. Now, the chorus, it's gone for good, gone for good, gone for good, gone for good. Now, there's a little kind of acoustic guitar part that I think Jack Johnson plays in the choruses there. If you want to do it, there's a way you can kind of cover it on the guitar, which sounds kind of nice as well. But it's this, and he plays it, you know, again in altered tuning up higher. But to do it around your G chord, which is what it happens over, if you just do that with your bass note on the G, on the 3rd fret E string, then you play the open G and 3rd fret B, go down to the 1st fret B string, still with the open G, and then pull off that B string to the open string as well. So it sounds like this. Gone for good, gone for good, gone for good, gone for good. That's pretty much the whole song. Great song, simple, easy to play. Take it easy, don't strum too much or force the tempo too hard, and it's going to sound great. Thanks for watching. See you here again next time.